Hey y'all, welcome back to TC Motorworks. Today we've got a 1999 E300 turbo diesel that we just finished up. This is the only 210 diesel variant that was sold in the US and was only sold for a couple model years in the early pre-facelift cars. But this one came in for a no start condition. And a pretty common problem on these. It's just these fuel lines here around the injection pump and on the fuel filter housing. These plastic lines here, or molded lines, will start to suck air as they age. When you get air in the fuel lines in a diesel, it won't run. So went ahead and replaced all these fuel lines. Now this car is ready to go.